How to fix Call of Duty WWII not launching. Welcome back, tech lovers, to another Teknobalta fix. Today we fix Call of Duty WWII launch issues. Are you struggling with the dreaded 486 ENS_code_post_G fix? FD error? You try to launch Call of Duty WWII on Steam. But instead of intense wartime action, you're greeted with a black screen. Perhaps you installed a Turkish localization patch earlier. Suddenly, after the patch, the game refused to load past the initial screens, displaying a persistent black screen. You probably tried reinstalling the game completely, thinking that would clear everything up. But even after a fresh reinstall, the 486 ENS_code_post_G fix FD error keeps popping up. Even verifying the integrity of game files via Steam doesn't seem to work, right? This is a common frustration, a cycle of hope and crashing. Users often report this exact error, confirming that it's not an isolated incident. It seems like some old, corrupted files are lingering, causing this mess. Don't panic, guys, we fix this. We need to tackle those stubborn, hidden files that Steam doesn't touch during a reinstall. Here is the fix, step by precise step. First, understand why reinstalling didn't completely solve your problem. Steam handles the primary game installation directory. But many games, including Call of Duty WWII, store user-specific data, configuration files, and save games in your My Documents folder. These files can become corrupted, especially after modifications like language patches. Even if you uninstall the game, these My Documents files often remain untouched. And Steam Cloud Synchronization can even re-download old, corrupted config files. So, our mission is to purge those old, problematic documents. Let's begin. Open your File Explorer. Navigate to your My Documents folder. You can usually find it under this PC or by simply typing Documents into the Windows search bar. Inside My Documents, look for any folders related to Call of Duty WWII. These might be named Call of Duty WWII, Activision, or something similar. Carefully identify them. Ensure these are definitely associated with the game. Once you've located all relevant folders, select them. Right-click on the selected folders and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion. Don't worry about losing your save games. The goal here is a fresh start. This ensures no lingering corrupted data will interfere. After deleting, empty your recycle bin just to be absolutely sure. Now, open your Steam client. Go to your Steam library. Find Call of Duty WWII in your game list. Right-click on the game title. From the context menu, select Properties. A new window will pop up. Navigate to the Local Files tab within this Properties window. Here, you'll see an option labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on this option. Steam will now begin checking your game files against its servers. This process identifies any missing or corrupted files. It will likely detect discrepancies because we just deleted those document files. This first verification will trigger a download. Users reported this first download to be around 15 gigabytes. This download replaces the necessary files that were removed from your documents and potentially other minor corrupted files. Wait patiently for this download to complete. The download speed depends entirely on your internet connection. Once the download is finished, try launching the game. Did it work? Probably not yet for many users, as indicated by our community. You might encounter the same error or a new one, like menu content not available. This is because Steam Cloud might still be trying to sync some old, problematic data, or some core files were still out of sync. We need one more critical step. Go back to your Steam library. Again, right-click on Call of Duty WWII. Go to Properties once more. Click on the Local Files tab. And click Verify Integrity of Game Files for a second time. Yes, you heard that right, a second verification. This second run is crucial, as it seems to catch what the first one misses. This time, Steam will likely detect even more missing or corrupted files. This will trigger another, larger download. This final download, according to users, is approximately 25 gigabytes. This comprehensive download ensures that every single file, both in the main directory and any critical configuration files linked to your Steam Cloud, is perfectly restored. It's a complete refresh. Wait for this 25 gigabyte download to complete fully. This might take a while, so grab a coffee, grab a snack, or go for a walk. Ensure your internet connection is stable throughout this entire process. Interrupted downloads can lead to further corruption. Now, launch the game again. The game should now launch successfully. Problem solved, tech community. No more black screens, no more 486 ens_code_post_gfx. FD errors. You're back in the war zone. This two-step verification process, combined with clearing user documents, is the definitive fix. Remember this solution for future troubleshooting. If you found this fix helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Teknobalta tech solutions.